Okay, since this is a business letter, it is different than just some letter you're writing to somebody. This isn't a friendly letter that you're writing to someone you know or to, your grandmom or anyone else. A business letter has a very specific format. And that's part of what I'm teaching you. Everything should be lined up a certain way, and there's a lot more than just what you want to say to somebody in a business letter. The point of a business letter is it's to get business done or to make some sort of official statement. So it's a lot more formal, and it's a lot more rigid, and it's a lot more specific. This particular step is going to be to talk about the heading or the return address. Just like an envelope has a return address, your inside of your letter has the same type of return address. So let's go through this, and you should do the same in your template as I'm doing this. So there's a section for your name. I've given you a template. Now a template means that the document is kind of arranged for you already, which is very helpful. You don't have to start with a blank document. And by the way I found this is I just simply went to Google and did a search for Google Docs business letter templates, and I found one that I liked, and that's what I'm using. If you ever need a specific document, like a resume or anything, you can always search for templates. Templates help you format documents so you don't have to do the whole thing from scratch. This part of the video, we're going to focus on this top section, what is known as the heading or the return address. In a company, if you were a company instead of just a private person, this might have your company's letterhead, people refer to it. So what you're going to do is this stuff you're going to replace. So this thing that says your name, you're just going to come here and delete that, and you're going to actually put your own name. I'm going to put my fake student name, which is Joe Student. Title. You don't have a title. Unless you want to call yourself a student, that's sort of your title. If you were Mr. Jones, the principal of the Hackensack Middle School, you would put that as your title. You would put Principal, Hackensack Middle School, and so forth. But if you don't have a title, it's optional. What you would do is you would delete it and backspace it. So I'm gonna just backspace this, and I don't want a big line. So I'm not gonna move and change all this, not change all this stuff. So you're going to want to fix that and backspace it so that you don't have a space there. Company, again, you don't have a company. So you can delete that and backspace the line. Now you're going to put your street address, your real actual street address. So go ahead and write it. I'm going to make up one for Joe Student. Let's say he lives at 321 Main Street. Now for the next line, that is your city, state, and zip code. These things should be done accurately. You should have all punctuation in place. Everything should be lined up exactly the way this is lined up. So when you're doing this document, don't change anything. So city, for almost all of you, that should be Hackensack, comma, NJ, yes, you abbreviate the state or province. So in this case, NJ, no dots. You don't do N dot J dot. You don't do N capitalized and J lowercase. It should look exactly like that. And our zip code is 07601. So when you're done, your heading or your return address should look very similar to this, but just with your own personalized information. Again, I'm going to make separate videos for each part so you know which step you are on. This is the heading or the return address. Sorry, my phone rang there. So that is the end of this video.